Okay, in this tutorial I will continue using NetBeans 17 and then make sure you have a SceneBuilder installed and then config with NetBeans 17. That's my username. Your username might be different. So I have installed SceneBuilder 19. So this is from previous example. We have fxml. Let's open it with SceneBuilder. So it comes with empty anchor pane. I'm going to drag and drop one button, one label. So when you click OK button, it's going to display Hello World text on label. So I'll just say OK. FX ID, btn OK. That's the variable name for JavaFX components. Let me remove the text. I will label as LBLOK. LB stands for label. This one method name handle btn_OK. So when you click the button, it's going to invoke these methods. Save it. Now you can make new controller. Actually update the current controller class. So handle btn_OK methods. I'm going to set the value. LBLOK set text. I will type hello world. Save it. When you open FX main, it comes with a sample source code. So we may need to revise so that this FX main may link with fxml and then controller class. So let's remove that. So here root, let's make a link with fxml. fxml loader class. We have a method called load. Get class. Get resource. Normally I include package name in this relative URL. So if you are not sure, you can go up, have a look your package name, paste it. Then you can refer to your fxml file name, capital fxml dot lowercase fxml. Okay, as you can see, you need to import fxml loader class. You don't need that sentence anymore, so remove. Here we are going to use root. That's the name of the object. I'll keep that. It says add. Okay, I will add through IO exceptions because we are dealing with the file, so you may need to have IO exception. So let me change to parents and import. Let me change to be a simpler stage, lowercase s. I'll change the all stage. Okay, now we can build a project. you can now read the fx main class. So when you click OK button, it will display hello world. So this is how you can use fxml file with JavaFX application project. That's all. Thank you.